Cole Thompson, who is ready to make his, well, one, new team for Club MX, and two, new series in the World Supercross debut, posted on his Instagram the other day saying, quote, around 2 weeks ago, I started experiencing pain in my lower back and throughout my right leg. The pain progressively worsened and everyday life became difficult. MRI results showed a disc herniation with a compression right S1 nerve root. Oh, the right S1, okay. Now understanding the problem, I can begin to recover and back doing what I love. It is frustrating not being able to ride, but living in constant pain takes a toll on the body. I'm just ready to start feeling 100% again. So obviously, this is for the first round of World Supercross, and after that, he's got a whole 96 days because the French round got, as they say, quote unquote, indefinitely postponed, which is canceled. It's just gone. The sad thing is for the team, well, not sad thing for the team, but they have to field 4 riders. So in his place, let's see here, Josh Cartwright will be filling in because if they don't, apparently there are going to be hefty fines for having less than the number of riders you promised. But hopefully Cole Thompson misses 1 round, heals up, everything's fine, and he gets to go racing for the rest of it. Maybe do it outdoors too if time allows. But hopefully he heals up well. In the comments below, you tell me, how well do you think the first round of World Supercross is going to do, or any round is going to do? How well do you think the series is going to do? Whatever it is, comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.